Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create an onboarding checklist inside Microsoft Teams in under 2 minutes. We'll use MockFlow IdeaBoard to create and present a new hire onboarding checklist within Microsoft Teams, making it easy to collaborate without switching between applications. In Microsoft Teams, open your channel and click the plus icon. Select Apps, search for MockFlow IdeaBoard, and add it. Then choose your design space and IdeaBoard project, and click Save. Your IdeaBoard project will be added as a new tab in your Microsoft Teams channel. Click Ask MIDA and enter a prompt like Generate an onboarding checklist for HR teams. Click Generate, and within a few seconds, MIDA will create a structured onboarding checklist that you can customize and share directly inside Teams. Your HR team can now review, update, and collaborate on the onboarding checklist in real time. Assign tasks, track progress, gather feedback, and keep everyone aligned, all without leaving Microsoft Teams. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a new hire onboarding checklist inside Microsoft Teams using MockFlow IdeaBoard, making your HR onboarding process more organized, collaborative, and efficient.